Hello friends, welcome to Voice Vocabulary. I am Sophia and I am your new English teacher. Today we will start a very inspiring and motivational English learning story. But before we begin, I want to ask you something. Do you think poor people cannot learn English? Do you think English is only for rich and educated people? Today's story will change your thinking forever, so listen carefully till the end. Once upon a time, there was a poor boy named Rahul. Rahul lived in a small village with his parents. His family was very poor, but they were honest and kind. Rahul loved to study, but he had no money for good schools. One day he saw an English teacher speaking fluently on TV. Rahul felt very inspired and happy. He said to himself that one day he would speak English like that teacher, but his friends laughed at him. They said English is not for poor boys. Rahul felt sad, but he did not give up. He started learning English from old books. He listened to English videos every day. He repeated every sentence loudly. Sometimes he made mistakes. Sometimes people laughed at him. But Rahul kept practicing. He woke up early every morning. He practiced speaking in front of a mirror. He listened to English stories at night. Slowly, his pronunciation started improving. One day, Rahul met a kind teacher. The teacher encouraged him. The teacher told him to never stop learning. Rahul felt more confident. He started writing English sentences daily. He wrote about his life and dreams. He practiced speaking with himself. He practiced reading English books. He practiced listening to English conversations. He believed in himself strongly. Years passed, and Rahul became very good at English. He got a job in a city school. He became an English teacher. His parents were very proud of him. His friends were shocked. They could not believe that Rahul became an English teacher. Rahul smiled and said that he never waited to be ready. He said that he just started and never stopped. He started teaching poor children for free. He wanted to help others like him. Rahul told his students that English is for everyone. He told them to not be afraid of mistakes. He told them to practice every day. He told them to believe in themselves. His students loved him very much. They felt motivated and confident. Rahul's life changed completely. He was no longer a poor boy. He was a successful and happy teacher. He proved that hard work changes everything. Now let me tell you a secret. You can be like Rahul. You can learn English too. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need expensive courses. You only need daily practice. Start speaking small sentences. Start listening every day. Start reading simple stories. Start writing short paragraphs. Do not wait for perfect time. Do not wait for confidence. Confidence comes after practice. English becomes easy after daily learning. Your brain learns faster with repetition. Your pronunciation improves with listening. Your vocabulary grows with reading. Your writing improves with practice. Your speaking improves with courage. Your life improves with English skills. Imagine speaking English confidently. Imagine getting a good job. Imagine traveling to foreign countries. Imagine talking to people around the world. English can change your future. English can change your confidence. English can change your career. English can change your life. But you must start today. Do not start tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next year. Next year becomes never. Start with one sentence today. Speak slowly and clearly. Make mistakes and learn. Practice every day for 10 minutes. 10 minutes daily is better than 1 hour monthly. Consistency is the key. Practice is the secret. Rahul started with one sentence. Rahul practiced every day. Rahul never gave up. Rahul believed in his dream. You must believe in your dream too. Your dream is important. Your dream is possible. Your dream is waiting for you. Start walking toward your dream. Do not stay in fear. Fear is your biggest enemy. Confidence is your biggest friend. Practice makes confidence. English makes opportunities. Opportunities make success. Success makes happiness. Happiness makes life beautiful. Life is too short to wait. Life is too precious to waste. Start improving today. Listen to English stories daily. Watch English videos daily. Repeat sentences loudly. Record your voice and listen. Correct your mistakes. Learn new words daily. Use those words in sentences. Speak with yourself confidently. Speak with friends bravely. Speak with teachers proudly. Do not be shy. Do not be scared. Everyone was a beginner once. Even Rahul was a beginner. Even teachers were beginners. Even native speakers learned as children. Learning takes time. Learning takes patience. Learning takes practice. Learning takes courage. You have courage inside you. You have power inside you. You have talent inside you. You only need to start. Say that you can learn English. Say that you will learn English. Say that you are learning English. Your words create your future. Your thoughts create your life. Think positive and strong. Rahul's story teaches us one thing. Never wait to be ready. Just start now. Start with small steps. Small steps make big success. Small practice makes big confidence. Small learning makes big knowledge. Small effort makes big change. Small dreams make big life. Small actions make big results. You are not late. You are not weak. You are not stupid. You are learning. You are improving. You are growing. You are becoming better every day. Believe in yourself. Trust your journey. Enjoy your learning. English is not difficult. English is a skill. Skills improve with practice. Practice improves confidence. Confidence improves speaking. Speaking improves life. Life improves with learning. Learning improves mind. Mind improves future. Future improves with English. Start listening today. Start speaking today. Start reading today. Start writing today. Start dreaming today. Start improving today. Start believing today. Start changing today. Start learning today. Start living today. Rahul started with nothing. Rahul ended with success. You can start with nothing too. You can end with success too. Your journey begins now. Your success begins now. Your English journey begins now. Say it with me that you will start now. Say it again that you will never give up. You are strong. You are smart. You are capable. You are learning English. You are improving every day. Your future is bright. Your dreams are real. Your success is coming. Just keep practicing. Just keep believing. Just start now. In the end, Rahul understood that learning English was not just about words and grammar, but about confidence, courage, and never giving up. He smiled and said, "Every small step makes me stronger." He promised herself to practice every day, to listen more, to speak more, and to believe in herself. And from that day, her journey to fluent English truly began, with hope in her heart and a bright future in her mind. Thank you for watching this video, my friends. If you like this English story and want to improve your English step by step, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Voice Vocabulary. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you never miss our new English stories and lessons. Keep practicing every day, keep listening, keep speaking, and believe in yourself. Let's take a break in this video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye and happy learning. I took a small break because sometimes we all need to stop, to think, to breathe, and to understand our journey. During this break, I realized something very important. Learning English is not a race, it is a journey, a beautiful journey that you must enjoy every day. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to speak like a native speaker today. You only need to start, and you only need to continue. Every day you listen, every day you repeat, every day you practice, you are becoming better, even if you cannot see it clearly. Sometimes you feel tired, sometimes you feel confused, sometimes you feel that English is too hard, but remember, every expert was once a beginner, and every fluent speaker once felt exactly like you feel today. So, after this break, I am coming back stronger, more motivated, and more focused on helping you learn English easily. If you are watching this video, it means you are serious about your future, it means you want to improve your life, and it means you are brave enough to learn something new. Do not stop now. Do not give up now. Do not say, "I will start tomorrow," because tomorrow is always busy, and today is always the best day to start. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep reading, keep writing, And most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Your English journey is just beginning, your confidence is growing, your dreams are getting closer.